Are you looking for a condo with great neighborhood amenities? Then my newest listing at 1102 Botetourt Gardens will be perfect for you. This unit is located in the sought-after neighborhood of Ghent Square in Norfolk, Virginia. They offer private tennis courts, pickleball courts, pool, playgrounds, clubhouse, and neighborhood gardens. Follow me to check it out. This beautiful condo offers 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and amazing square footage, sitting at over 1,900 square feet of living space. On top of that, a private balcony with neighborhood views and your own personal garage for all your parking and storage needs. What else could you ask for?